Hey everyone, glad you're back for another video, and I know you love today's video because it's all about getting massive Facebook traffic from unexpected source. Before we jump into it, if you're new, welcome to our channel where we share digital marketing latest strategy updates, so please hit the subscribe button if you still haven't. Now let's start. Number 1, include your Facebook page URL in your email signature. It's one of the simplest way to drive Facebook traffic or any other traffic really. One thing that email marketer will tell you is that the content that you include in your email signatures is key to driving action from simple communication. That is why you see marketers and business owners including a link to their social profiles or website in their email signature. They know that recipients are highly likely to click on them. So a very smart way to send qualified traffic to your Facebook page is by including your Facebook page URL in your email signatures. All you have to do is to include a call to action below your name in the signature that reads "Find me on Facebook" or "My company on Facebook," and to include a hyperlink inside the text. This simple strategy will help you double traffic from email to your Facebook page quickly and easily. Number 2, send email blast campaigns to drive Facebook traffic. Yes, another email hacks to get Facebook traffic because email marketing is cheap and can be highly effective if done right. You can send an email blast to your contacts when you create your Facebook page to let them know that your company is now on Facebook. You'll get a significant number of likes and follows on your page this way. But that's only part 1 of this strategy because you can send a second email blast to email subscribers sometimes after you send the first email blast to also let them know that they can interact with you on Facebook and what value will they get if they do that. But be careful, don't continuously spam your leads as well. Understand that email is a communication tool and you should use it to communicate values and drive Facebook traffic for your business. Want to learn more about email marketing and copywriting? Check out the videos we have prepared for you. Just click on the icon on the right corner of the screen or check the description box below. Number 3, promote your Facebook page in store. This strategy is valid for both physical store and online store, and it is quite simple. All you're going to do is to add a call to action or banner to let the visitor know of your Facebook page. This is easy to do on your online store, as you simply have to add a like button on the front page and on your product page. Most store builders have this feature built in, so you shouldn't have trouble adding this button to your site. And if you have a physical store, this is as simple as printing a banner or poster with a screen cap of your Facebook page, the page URL, and a call to action inviting people to like the page. The most frequent and I would say also effective strategy for physical store owner is to add customer to like your Facebook page right at the checkout counter to receive an instant small discount on their purchase. It's a win-win situation. They get a surprise discount on their bills and you get more Facebook traffic. Number 4, install a social sharing plugin on your website. A very effective strategy to encourage people to visit and like your Facebook page is by encouraging them to share your content first. Now, you can't hope that people will share your content with their Facebook friends just because. You have to make it easy for them to do so. Luckily, you can add social sharing buttons to your content page so people who are reading your content on your website can forward it to their Facebook friends with a single click. There's literally dozens of social share plugins available. Here are a few that we think you might find useful. Social Snap, Easy Social Share Buttons, Mass Share, WordPress Social Sharing, Social Puck. But before selling for any plugin, we highly encourage you to do a bit of research first to understand which plugin is truly right for your business. Number 5, engage with other Facebook page and group. Another good way to drive qualified traffic to your Facebook page is by engaging with other Facebook page and groups where your prospect might hang out using your page. This increases your page visibility and encourage people to take a look at your brand name, to visit your page and liking your page afterwards. And if you post thoughtful comments that add values to publication on other pages and groups in your niche, you also increase your brand authority. Just remember, don't be a spammer, be genuine. Number 6, optimize your content for mobile. The number of mobile users grows year by year, but not all content is optimized for mobile, which makes it difficult to share. This means that you have to make sure that all the content you publish is mobile friendly and responsive. To ensure this, use media that fits all possible formats and preview your posts before publishing them to make sure they look good on mobile device. Collaborate with other pages. Other Facebook pages can be your competitors, but with the right offer, they can become your allies. Similar to when YouTubers or influencers collab with each other, collaborate with other pages will help you to promote your Facebook page to a new group of audience. You can either promote with businesses in your same niche or businesses that sell complementary products to yours. When collaborating with businesses in the same niche, craft an offer that is equally beneficial to all parties. For instance, you run a yoga studio. To collab with another yoga studio, you can plan an online live yoga event that both studios can host and promote together. Craft your offer and have a plan before reaching out. And remember, don't cross out this opportunity just because they are your competitors, or why would the competitors want to help you promote mindset. This will limit your growth. When collaborating with businesses that sells complementary products, be creative and also be aware of your own audience interests. Back to our yoga studio example. Now, instead of collaborating with another yoga studio, maybe you can partner with a company that sells yoga mattresses. While you can post about their products on your page, perhaps with a special deal, they can do the same by promoting your studio on their page. Both action will bring benefits to the audience. Both pages will get more exposure, and none of you will have to worry about losing your customer to a competitor. It's a win-win situation, am I right? Now that's all good sources and strategy to get more Facebook traffic. Finally, let's talk about a few metrics you can track to understand your result. The first metric that you can track is the number of reach. Reach is the number of people your content is seen by on Facebook. Facebook page reach has dropped over the years after the social media giant made changes to its platform. But since we are trying to track Facebook traffic, the number of reach can be an insightful metric. See if your post reach has increased after your effort to drive Facebook traffic. But remember, not every single one of your posts received the same level of success, which is why tracking reach helps you learn and understand what posts outperform others. Number 2, audience insight. While reach let you know directly the result of your effort, looking into audience insight will give you a better clue on where and how to continue your effort. According to Facebook audience insight give you information about 2 groups of people connected to your page and people on Facebook. So you can create content that resonates and easily find more people like the ones in your current audience. Its content demographics overview such as age and gender, education level, job title, relationship status. It also includes people interests and hobby. By tracking audience insight, you're gathering more data for your strategy. For example, you're selling books online, and with audience insight, you find out that a large number of your audience is also interested in cooking. This allows you to create more relevant content for them, importing more cookbooks, and the next time you want to engage with other pages for exposure, you'll definitely know to try a cooking page or group. And the last one, remember to also keep note of your page likes and follows. Obviously, we must track page likes and follows. Give yourself an achievable target. How many page likes do you want to receive in a specific time frame? Set it, aim for it, and track it so that you can try again. And that's it for today's video on how to get massive Facebook traffic from unexpected source. We hope you liked it, and let us know if you apply any of these strategies. Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now. Until next time, I'm Alice from Stanford.